Hi, this is Marty. Here's the wave. There we are. As good as you're going to get. Alright, this is a Euphorbia Milii. One of the many variations that I had at one time. I got them down to like 6 or 7 right at the moment. But I was just starting to remove the weeds from this, and I always pulled at the base to remove some of the weeds, and they just weren't coming that fast off. So I said, let me just play around with this. And I decided to give it into the dirt and then bang the dirt away. And I had banged the dirt away, but I still wasn't seeing what I saw. I saw some green, but I wasn't positive what I did see. But what I did was I got all the dirt off, and then I finally took this an amazing little device here. You probably get them with the little kids to blow up balloons and everything, put them in a pail of water, kids throw balloons out. I save these little devices because it's a wonderful watering tool. And what I used that to remove the dirt from the base of the Euphorbia Milii. This is a beige colored flower. Let me show it over here. Very pretty little flower. It's not a huge blooming one like the big red one. I have taken cuttings from this, like I just snap them off and put them in a separate pot and they'll grow. What struck me about this was the ones that wasn't coming off at the bottom. So there's literally about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 little puppies at the base down there. And I did this just to show you what they look like. I may take one and just do a quick one. I'll probably take the biggest one. The biggest one has more survival rate, because the smaller ones, if I take them, it dries up in the sun. It's like just throwing it away, so I might as well just take the big one here. And I'll just take this one over here, literally snap it off, as you can see. Where's my hand, Marty? Get over there. Right on the rock. My Alzheimer's is kicking it. There it is. It's about an inch. The camera's on the left side, Marty. Wake up, stay awake. When you get 76, everything starts failing. Most everything. Here it is. So what we'll do is, I'll just go over here quick, grab one of my little cups that I have around. There's my little drinking cups. I save them because when we have a little company, I just grab these cups and they make excellent little containers for my pots. So I'm not going to cut a hole in the pot at the moment. What I'll do is just put the dirt in here with the plant, just bare root it, no root to them or anything else, and we'll just check back and see what the status is. So here's where we go. We go over here to the dirt pile. Come on, pull it here. Alright, we got our dirt. Gonna come back over here to my little pot, put it back over here, and we'll plant that in there just like that. And I would leave it over here, but the rain on this side of the house just literally pours off the side, and it'll probably just saturate this and just wash it away. So what I'll do is I'll put it in a more controlled environment and over here, and just put it next to this colorful weeds that are growing, and I'll just leave it right there. As you can see, that's where it is. And the other one, so I'll finish the video right now, but this is Marty signing off, and I'll pot this in another pot and maybe take another cutting or 2 off, or I'll just leave them alone for now and just see what happens in about a month's time. Alright, thank you for stopping by Green Dougherty Garden. Have a chance, stop by, drop us a line. We'd love to hear about you. Goodbye.